Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
What is going on? It is finally Friday. We are there. We are at the weekend, and the market has done a pullback, and people are freaking out. I'm here to say I'm not truly sure. I think it's just hesitation. People are exiting. I don't really see any news to really shake out the whales. My crypto pie, William. What's going on, buddy? Nice to see you. Boom. Hi, Teddy, he said. And I say hi back. So yeah, just want to touch on the market, go through the news, same usual goon stuff. That's what we do here. You guys know what it is. Make sure you smoke that like button on that way in. Coochie boy in the building. We got Coochie boy already, not even 2 minutes in. So you know it's going to be a good stream. Guys, what is going on with this freaking market? What is happening? Who can tell me? I feel like we need to simmer down or anticipate what exactly is happening. And to be honest, there's really nothing bad in the news to indicate something horrible is going on. We know from yesterday Coinbase released that they're going to do a layer 2, right, with optimism, called base, right? So they want people to develop for base. So we know there's good things coming in the space. And then we also know that even with all the SEC cases that are coming, even with all the SEC regulations that have been proposed, even with all that, people are still holding. These are the key takeaways when I'm looking at things to invest in. So, still, crypto risk assets, still put it in the portfolio of risk asset. I have some of it, and I'm going to continue to monitor what it does. Let me share my screen here. What is going on, guys? What do you got planned? Tell me your plans for this weekend. Quite interested to know. You guys got anything fun planned? Doing anything good? Ayo, bro, Master Me. What's going on? When do you think Binance gonna list a bone? I don't know, dude. Teddy, Red Sox 2023 will be tough year, but huddle. They told me in 2023 was gonna be the year, dude. How you doing, Master Me? I'm doing good. Red Sox, what's going on, buddy? Nice to see you. Thanks for make sure you smoke that like button on the way in here. So yeah, we talked about Base yesterday, base.org. This is Coinbase's own blockchain, and they want people to develop on it. Obviously, quite interesting. I did look into it after the stream. It looks like it's only Gorley testnet. Quite interested to see what they do. They do have hard hat capabilities, which means we can deploy there. So quite happy to see that. What was this? Tokens. Oh yeah, tokens of optimism ecosystem surge as Coinbase unveils its layer 2 base. So obviously, because it's optimism's technology, people are buying it. So shows Velo, the native token of optimism, and we know someone was in our chat talking about Velo. Yo, guys, Velo this, Velo that. Well, this is why, because someone had inside information, and Velo, started doing really well the past few days. It's because it's Optimism's native token. So now that makes sense on why it's going up so crazily. The question has been answered, right? I myself was like, what the heck is Velo? Like, who's using this, right? So I just want to talk about that regarding this article. There's also one more crazy thing. Magic links have critical vulnerabilities. So magic links, right? Links that people use to have passwordless sign-ins. Instead of remembering your password, they're like, hey, we'll send you a link to your email. You click on it, you log in. So they're talking about hijacking of those magic links and the downfall of what it could cause. So it is a true vulnerability. Magic Labs no longer has vulnerability to this type of phishing. So they are basically telling us, hey, this is a true thing that can happen, not only to anyone involved, but literally over the entire crypto sphere. We can have issues with Web3 authorization if we don't talk about the downfalls of magic links. I personally, when it comes to magic links, I'm cool with magic links because what it gives you power of is your security on your email layer. You know, is your email 2FA? Is your email password protected? Does your email have a backup recovery phone? You know, whatever it may be. That's the portion that I think is the safer option rather than worrying about Web3 magic links. I don't know if I'm quite there yet, but I know the benefits that it produces. Let's see here. Did you see the U.S. fighter jet near China's border? China pilot told him he better take a right or it's gonna be bad. I think it's gonna be bad no matter what. I think it's gonna be bad no matter what. I do want to. Oh, I don't know if I answered this, but when do you think Binance gonna list Bone? This is the thing. We never know. You know, they've been after that since day one. It's kind of like Robin Hood and Shiba Inu. You never know. It may come a year later. No, and I didn't see this. I gotta go look at that. Smoke that like button. Anthony Williams in the building. Smoke that like button indeed. Hi, hey Teddy. Hope all is well. How much does Cliff at Shibnobi pay you to be part of the team? I'm curious the salary for such a position. Um, I get paid the same amount I was getting paid in my previous job, sirs. Design DNA. Oi. Oi indeed. Oi indeed. Let's see here. I also had Watcher Guru. Ripple XRP. Mark Zuckerberg announces Meta's new language model amidst ChatGPT. Oh yeah, ChatGPT. This is only 2 minutes. I personally see articles because this isn't the only one. I've seen ChatGPT predicts other tokens as well in where it goes, and what happens and what could happen to it. But it's like I thought this was the thing about ChatGPT that you really it's only as good as the information it's fed. So I don't understand how this thing sees it reaching 68 cents, um, or even 22% or something. It's saying. So I'm like, dude, I don't know. I don't see this happening. I literally don't. Ugh. Because Dogecoin is infinite supply. There's always going to be Dogecoin, and there's not actually active um things happening with it. That's why I'm trying to see what the heck is going on here. Dude, imagine if Dogecoin can gain wider adoption and use, this could help support its future price. Moreover, the AI spoken potential aiding the thing. Like other cryptos, Dogecoin's price is largely driven by speculation and investor sentiment. If more investors become interested in Dogecoin and start to buy and hold it, could help drive up its price. You know? Although the AI program was not incorrect, it failed to deliver a specific price prediction. Um, I That's what I was trying to say in the beginning. I don't understand how it's only as good as the information that it's fed, and it hasn't been fed any information that is different from Dogecoin to any other token. So even when I see Chat GPT predicts Bitcoin in 2030, Chat GPT predicts Ethereum, and blah blah blah. It's like, dude, I don't think any of this is actually plausible, but hey, it's fun to look at, and speculate, because there are sometimes, especially in stocks, like some of these stock bots, they get crazy. They have stock bots that do like all kinds of algorithm based trades on just major stocks. They'll choose like Apple, Tesla. They choose like the big um the big ones, and they go from there. Let me see here. Someone's messaging me. I want to make sure I'm not missing anything. Enters in enjoy. Oh, okay, nice. Did you see the SHIB prediction for end of year? No, wait, I didn't see the SHIB prediction for end of year. I just seen that Shibarium's trying to come out the end of this month. Send me that. Send me that. Oh, you got to check that one out. Is that even a real thing? All right, I want to check out this U.S. fighter jet thing. U.S. fighter jet, China. Chinese fighter jet confronts U.S. Navy plane. Oh, yep, I see it. CNN. Don't hit me with the ad block. I swear. Can we watch this and you won't ban me, CNN? Hello, CNN. All right, let's listen to it. Maybe they have the audio. I've never listened to this before, so don't hate. Hello? What did it just do? What did it just do? I'm just trying to play the thing, man. What the heck? I just want to listen to it. I just want to see if it says the thing. If we can hear the guy say the thing. But it doesn't want to play. It's evil. It's like, no, Teddy.
At the start of an
Hear it
unprovoked
now.
war, Clarissa
Oh,
Ward
this
was
is an
there.
ad. This
We
is an
are
ad.
getting
Don't
out
listen.
as
Block your ears. Block your ears. All right, so Chinese fighter jets warning to U.S. Navy plane in South China Sea. That's what we're watching right now.
This
All
is
right.
a close encounter with a
Can you hear it?
Chinese warplane, filmed
you
just
hear
off the
it?
wing of a U.S. Navy reconnaissance plane flying over the South China Sea.
We're getting a close-up look at a Chinese fighter jet. The aircrew here identifies it as a J-11, a two-seater that they say is armed with air-to-air missiles. And it's been shadowing this U.S. Navy plane now for about 15 minutes. It is pretty remarkable to see this Chinese warplane operating at such close proximity, just several hundred feet away from our aircraft.
The Chinese fighter escort, part of a regular routine.
I'd say it's another Friday afternoon in South China Sea.
The U.S. Navy invited CNN to fly on a P-8 reconnaissance plane, taking off from a U.S. airbase on the Japanese island of Okinawa.
Level 300, Hotel 776.
Along the way, picking up fuel from a flying gas station.
We're refueling in midair right now, flying just about 40 feet away from a KC-135 tanker plane.
The plane is headed past the self-governing island of Taiwan, which China claims as its own, to the South China Sea, which China also claims almost.
Why? Why do you keep doing this? Stop it. Stop it. They actually say it. You can actually hear it.
The radio.
American aircraft. This is the PLA Air Force.
You are approaching Chinese airspace. Keep a safe distance or you'll be intercepted.
That's when the Chinese People's Liberation
Dang. Those be threats that they be throwing out. Did you? I just want to make sure you guys can hear this. I'm getting no feedback from you. I don't want to be foolish and you can't actually hear it. Let me see. Oh yeah, you can hear it. Okay, phew.
Army fighter jet appears, flying so close you can see the pilots in their cockpit.
PLA fighter aircraft. This is U.S. Navy P-8 on VHF 121.5. I hold you off my left wing, and I intend to continue to proceed to the west.
The Chinese pilot never responds, but eventually leaves when the U.S. plane turns south.
It's like oil spots as they build on one reef and then build on another.
Commodore Will Torreson shows the network of man-made islands China built on what had been coral reefs claimed by other countries.
Our number one focus here is to ensure that we have continued access alongside all of our allies and partners to international airspace and international waters.
The U.S. presence here aimed at preventing further encroachment by China.
Dude, this is crazy.
We're flying at a low altitude, 1,000 feet, a little more than 300 meters above sea level, east of Taiwan, looking for a Chinese warship currently believed to be operating in these stormy waters.
The plane spots a Chinese guided missile destroyer.
U.S. aircraft, this is Chinese Navy warship. You are approaching me. Keep safe distance away from me. Over.
I'm a United States military aircraft, and I will remain a safe distance from your unit.
A cat and mouse game between two rival militaries in one of the most hotly contested regions in the world.
Dude, imagine.
Ivan Watson, CNN. over the
Imagine
South
these
China
guys
Sea.
just like constantly going back and forth. Oh my god, the tensions that must be there. The tension must be freaking crazy. Oh my god. Keep safe distance. Oh, we're keeping a safe distance. Dude, you can literally almost see the guy. Oh my god. And this is all just for us to have still control and access to everything. Because if China keeps expanding their self-made islands here, they're basically going to claim full claim of this entire area and make it harder to do trade. You know, that's really what it comes down to, and that's what they say our fear is. And I have a guy like that worked at the Navy, and he was actually part of one of the destroyers that would circle these islands in the South China Sea, and they would go, you know, for weeks at a time and swap out with other Navy ships in order to always have a presence in the South China Sea. And we always do this just to show military force to China that we're still there and we're still here. Like, oh, don't think we left. We're still here, buddy boy. It's scary. It's scary, you know? It's literally scary. Oh my god, this is wild. No, I didn't see this. I didn't see this till now. I'm quite surprised to even see that something like this still occurs. You know, we got Russia, Ukraine on one side, we're stirring up things with China on the other. It's like, oh boy, Teddy. Oh boy, Teddy, something's gonna happen. I just know it. And I'm like, nah, dude. It's always been like this. This is normal for them. You don't think they do this every day? They do this every day. They've been doing this every day. They've been doing this ever since they first put the sand island in red, you know, in the sea and trying to say it's China's now. You know, it's like, hey, if you build an island, is it yours? If you build an island in international waters and all the sand originated from your country, do you now own that area And what happens if they expand the entire way? And you know what they should do is they should just move everything and just get rid of all the water there. Just patch all it. Just make it full mass. Just connect all these dots. One bridge over to everything. Build gigantic islands. Make it part of your continent. Oh my god, I cracked myself up. Okay. Watcher Guru. Okay, what else do we got here? Anything else crazy? I do want to look at the charts too, but I want to make sure I didn't miss anything. Ripple price prediction. Dude, I'm not doing any more chat GPT predictions, dude. Shiba Inu burn rate drops as prices plummet. Yeah, what's happening? Shibarium's supposed to come out. Why is the price going down? We're gonna make it all back. Remember, we had that plan. We buy Shiba Inu low, and then we make all this profit, and that's it. Oh man, Polkadot's a reckoning, dude. Matic, reckoning, Matic. Yeah, Bitcoin's only 5% down in the 7 days, and I'm not too worried. But Polkadot, and Matic, dang, I don't even know what even happened. Aptos, 17% ICP Internet Computer. We've looked at that before. Algorand, big fan of Algorand. I actually mine this on Kudo Miner, or I get rewarded this for having them use it. One day we'll be back. You'll see. We'll go right back to launch price. I actually do believe. There's very little things like top 100s. I normally believe Gala Games. It was a hit and a miss, yeah, Bone made it to number 95. Yeah, it's down 10%, dude. And Bone's the one I thought that would come back once Shibarium comes out, and the hype is there. But the actual thing did not show. So we'll see what happens here. 1 second here. Let me. Steppen, dude. Why is Steppen always trending down? Red Sox, what are you doing? We're supposed to be making it all back, Red Sox. We're supposed to be making it all back. Let's see. Does anyone actually talk about Steppen? GMT, AI, and big data? Okay. I'm bullish on GMT. I'm bearish on GMT. GMT, if you have USD in your portfolio, additionally recommend you NFTY. Nah, don't show me other tokens. Just tell me about GMT, dude. Yeah. Nothing. Dude, we literally been watching Steppen up here every day this week. It's constantly in trending. Well, for the wrong reasons, but top community post. Let's see here. Hi, Teddy. I tried to migrate Chinja V1 to V2 using my laptop. I connected MetaMask, showed my V1 balance and V2 amount, but when I clicked the migrate button, it kept saying execution reverted. Thank you. Thank you indeed. Okay, so you're experiencing something. You should reach out to one of the mods on Telegram or DM me directly and send me the wallet address so we can look at it. That's interesting. Damn it, Steppen. Damn it, Steppen. What happened with Steppen, dude? There were so many things. Remember, you were telling me, oh, Teddy, move to earn. This is going to be it. We're all going to get fit. Red Sox, aren't you already fit? Aren't you like a fit dude? When's the next time you're going to be moving to earn? You're going to get a new Fitbit? All right, we really have to look at Bitcoin right now. So reasons of talking Bitcoin. We did touch that 22,819, and remember, these are levels I made a long time ago. This is not levels that I'm making now. These are levels that existed before um well before I'm sorry. These are levels I made well before any of the price action that we're currently seeing. So if you're seeing anything line up, it is mere coincidence and just levels in support of the resistance that I found. And what I've seen is since this is the start of a new day right now, so we'll see what ends up happening throughout the day. But talking yesterday, we pretty much did a bounce back of a little bit. 22.8 was hit, and we're hugging 23.1, but it's still a hard territory. I don't think we're out of this area yet. We may continue to linger till we have another bounce back up. So continuing to watch this level. I'm really interested to see what's going to happen throughout this week. And if you guys watch me, you know I've been saying throughout this week what happens with Bitcoin is going to be important, because that's going to dictate the following weeks as well, because we've been here before, right? Remember, I say history always repeats itself. Guys, this is the second time that we've hit the support level, and I'm expecting this to bounce back up. And whether this will be the last time we bounce back up and break through 26 is going to be the real question, because it's literally history repeating itself. You can't even make this up. The same exact highs and lows, the same exact peaks, So this bounce back, there's two things now we have to keep in mind. If you're looking for profits and you need to take some money out, you have to coordinate it on these support and resistance levels, because that's what most of these guys are doing. When you see the quick drops, the quick upsells, that's exactly what's happening. So you need to make sure that's what you're going to be looking for when you decide to take profits or invest, right? If you decide to get in at this level, don't go selling when it's down here at 10,000. You hold on. Many of these guys have held on before, right? And that's the Teddy when bull run. And this is the thing. We are seeing bullish indicators, but what we're not seeing is mass adoption. We're still getting criticized by the SEC, making it very difficult for us to thrive in these crypto markets. It's actually quite difficult to say, hey, I'm in the United States and our crypto token's doing great, and Gary Gensler loves us, because Gary Gensler hates everybody. Even the own chairman's like, hey, the way that Gary Gensler's things are coming out, it almost seems like he's trying to block crypto, So these are things. But regardless of that, right, this is what I'm looking out for. I do know this is the second time we've seen this bounce back in this period. So now my next few days are going to be, if this bounces back, am I going to take profits as it goes closer to this 25K, 26K level? Or am I going to find a way to DCA shall it go down? But right now, I think history is going to repeat itself. We're going to see another bounce before this has a small retracement back. And retracements are healthy, like consolidation is healthy. You do have new floors established, but at some point, we're going to see what ends up happening. Is 10K Bitcoin still a thing? Potentially. I don't know. It could. But I hope not. I'm really thinking 14K, 15K is potentially the last of it. Goons, oh yeah, Clean Smoke up in the building. What's going on, Clean Smoke? Nice to see you, buddy. Oh man, what's going on with War Pigs token and everything? Got to keep us updated, man. Got to keep your fellow goons updated. How are we supposed to know if you don't tell us? Got to keep us updated, man. We're trying to make these plays together. Actually, let's go look at BNB. It's been a while. Dude, BNB is just same like Bitcoin, like bounce back. The way I have my levels on BNB, it's like the same exact thing, Yeah, even though it's two different price points, you literally are looking at similar support and resistance. You got that support at 302 right here, or 302.99, I think I wrote it at, and then 339 as my resistance. So gonna be interesting. I would love to see BNB break 350 again and go back up to the 400s. I think BNB is an secret gem, especially as US regulations get stricter. We know Binance has the capabilities of operating internationally, which I think is going to be good for BNB. So if I had ways to get BNB and put it in a cold wallet or something, I'd probably figure out how to do it, just because if BNB ever goes to 1,000, right, I want to make sure I have good entry points, and 300 is not a bad entry point. I really wish I had acquired more at 182, because even if I had then, imagine us now. That's a 2x already. 2x in this market. Who's not happy with that? Would you be happy with the 2x right now in this market? That's what we're looking for. And BNB continues higher highs and lower lows, So that's very good sign. That's very good sign. And I like to see that. I think I'm going to potentially continue acquiring more BNB just to be ahead of the game. And I know, oh, Teddy, you don't know. Oh, SEC is coming after Binance. They're going to do all this. They're going to shake you out. No, dude, they're trying to shake us out. Don't be dumb. These guys coming up with random FUD articles to get a better price on us, dude. I feel like BNB could be quite worthwhile. Base, I don't know, because they don't have their own token. But BNB is doing all the right things in crypto. They got their own blockchain. They're a competitor to Ethereum, if not a duplicate of Ethereum, because it's the same exact fork. And we got to see what ends up happening, But guys, that is it. This is what I leave you with. I will see you again Monday, 8:15 p.m. Eastern, Monday through Friday. That's when we stream. You know where to catch me. Tell everybody, tell the goons. Make sure you smoke that like button. 13 of us here chilling out, relaxing. And Ali Bang Bang, make sure you reach out to me. Telegram is my preferred method. That's the only place that I'm keeping track. But if you reach out to any of the mods, they'll direct you towards me, so you should be fine. All right, guys. Goodbye. And I'll talk to you next time. On Monday, 8:15. Goodbye. Oh boy, what would you do? Have a good weekend, by the way. Have a good weekend.